Audi Q2, this is a 2018 model, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the service reset. Okay, so the first thing you do is flick the ignition on. The warning isn't up on the dash yet as this is being serviced early, but the same thing needs to be done. Over at the media station here, the infotainment, we're going to be using this toggle wheel. So we're scrolling up to car, pressing down on the toggle wheel. When you get to this menu, you won't see any service side on it, but what you will do is click to the side. So you push that back, you'll get to the service and checks, click that. Service intervals, click that, and then reset oil change interval, which I'm going to do now. Click yes, and the oil change interval has been reset. We go, you see up here, it's now been adjusted. So that is how you reset your service interval in a Audi Q2. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.